Hey everybody, it's Lana Shalak here. I'm sitting outside in fabulous Fort St. John, BC. Decided to enjoy a little bit of the sunshine out there. So, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you're liking what you see. And I'm going to be starting a playlist that's called Freedom. Time Freedom Channel. And what that basically means is the freedom to enjoy your family, freedom to go where you want to go, and the freedom to do what you want. And right now, if you're struggling to figure out what you want to do, there's lots of things happening on the internet like, oh my gosh, shiny ball syndrome is at its highest. You have to sit there and just think about it. How much we're inundated with commercials that are on TV, commercials that are on YouTube. I was watching a channel on YouTube, and every time I would click on a new channel that I wanted to watch, the same guy pops up, and I'm just thinking, freak. And then YouTube wants you to pay to upgrade so that you can stop seeing the ads. Crazy. Totally crazy. So anyway, my little rant. I wanted to share with you what I'm doing to create some time freedom for myself and my husband, and basically the freedom to go wherever I want. So I'm at Internet Lifestyle Pro. Internet Lifestyle Pro is a small marketing site that allows you to learn how to market your system online. And, it takes you through small steps and builds you up into being a better type of marketer that you need to be. So the next program that I want to introduce you to is Future Ad Pro. And the reason why I suggest Future Ad Pro to you is because it allows you to, you can join for free. However, I don't recommend you do that. I suggest that you upgrade your business or your status, it's called, and your status. And you can see that I've joined for $30 a year. So basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to take you to my dashboard. And as you can see, when this button right here hits $16, I'm going to go back to my status, and here, $16 a month, because that is where you start making your income. 8% instead of 4%, or 3% if you start with a free version. And 8% will give you a web page you can advertise and a few other things. So what I suggest you do is you start here. You start with the basic. Yes, it's going to cost you a little bit to invest in your business. I mean, everybody does. I mean, that's no big whatever. You have to stop and think. If you owned a franchise, it would cost you way more than $50 to buy an ad pack. And so once you've upgraded your status, go back to your dashboard. And in your dashboard, you're going to want to go to ad packs. And in here, you can either buy the $50 or the $10 ad pack. If you're starting small, I suggest that you start with a $10 ad pack. And so that, over time, you just start building it. Every week, you're going to spend $10 till it allows you to buy your $50 ad pack. Okay, so there is a second part of Future Ad Pro, which is called FutureNet. And wait before I leave the site, because there's two separate sites that you need to learn about. And so in here, you have to do your advertising. And being outside, create an ad. So you want to go create an ad, and in here you're going to create an ad for Internet Lifestyle Pro, and which I've done. I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see that I only have 847 credits left because I'm already advertising. Okay, so this is one, and then let's go over to FutureNet.club, it's called. And over on FutureNet.club, you're also going to want to upgrade there because it gives you media points, and your media points allow you to buy different things. Let me see. Every now and then, they upgrade things and change it. Back office. And here, see, they changed it again since the last time. So this is where you want to go to upgrade. And these are called friend trees, I believe. And start with $10, upgrade there, upgrade to 50, or 25, sorry. And then I still have to do my 50, which I'll probably do in the next week or so to upgrade my position. Okay, so you have to remember a couple things. That with FutureNet, everybody on here has a website. Everybody on here is in the home-based business, but that's okay. It still gives you a place to voice your company that you're with and allows you to advertise. So the third place that I have is iPhone Pro. I love iPhone Pro. It's one of my favorite ones. I want to spend more time here. And so if you jump on here, it teaches you how to earn 1% a day. And the theory behind it is, if I go to my website, they used to have a website here that talked about, like, do you want 1%? Would you take $1 million or would you take a penny a day? And the thought behind it is that if you have a penny a day, it compounds faster than $1 million. Yes, everyone will think, oh, $1 million, that would be so cool. Wouldn't have to work for a while, but in the long run, penny a day, compounding, yes, stop. First day, yes, your penny. Second day, 2 pennies. Third day, 4 pennies. Fourth day, 8 pennies. See how fast that goes up? And at the end of 30 days, you have more than $1 million. So I just want to encourage you that if you're looking for a place to hang out with, join my group, get into some of the programs. I'll have the links below so that you can sign up and join. And if you have any questions, reach out to me and let me know what you're doing. So we'll be adding more to my freedom plan, because if you're like me, I just want to quickly share that I don't want to be working at Walmart when I'm 75 years old. No way. Can you imagine 75 years old working at Walmart and eating dog food because you can't afford the basic necessities? So subscribe, get with me on our freedom plan. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.